Hello everyone, this video is for anyone who needs help sending me a message after they've completed the listening of the Navajo story. So here we are at the end of the story. I'm going to scroll back to the top of that same page until I see the envelope icon. That's where you go when you're ready to send a message to someone through Schoology. So I'm going to click this envelope icon, and then the next step is to click where it says new message. So I'm underlining it right now. Click new message, and that's going to open up a new window for your brand new message. Now, when you go to send a message to me, I don't recommend that you type in MS because it may not populate my name. I would type in my last name and then find me that way. So you can start typing in Robinson, and then you'll get a list of names with the same last name as mine. Just scroll down until you see the brown bear picture. That's me, and click on it. So that's me in the to box. You've got that taken care of. The next thing you have to do is type something into the subject box. So I'm going to click in the subject box, and I'm going to type in Navajo Code Talkers, because that's the subject that I want you to put in for when you send me this message, and this is how I know that you've completed that particular reading activity. So now you're ready to send me the message portion. When you click into this third box for the message, if you want to greet, you can. You can say, "Hi, Miss Robinson," and then press enter to send me the sentence telling 3 things you learned from that listening activity. So you may want to start with this: 3 things I learned are, and then give me those 3 things. Make sure that you use your end mark, and then when you're ready, press send. So once I receive it, I'll check it over, and then I'll give you feedback. If you still have questions after this, please come to the chat. It will be open during the day. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later.